Right, this thing here is called a brace. It's another variation of this classic one here called a Stanley. I've never seen one of these in my life, but these are by far more common than this one. I'm going to have a go and drill a hole and see what it's like to use. And just bear with me because I don't really know how it works either. So I'm going to have a crack and see how it works. Right, now that I have my bit in there, put that in there and start drilling, and we'll see what happens. I don't know how well this is gonna work, or whether it's even gonna work, but here we go. We're scoring the wood and we're starting to drill. Now if I get fancy and turn the knob there, I get a ratchet, I think. Then it's going, there we go. Now it's going the right way. Now when I wasn't cutting, I was going backwards. Now I'm going forwards. As you can see, it is now peeling off the wood. And we are drilling a hole. I know this is probably not straight, but I'm not worried about that. Seeing how it works. Now my tip through the other side. So we are almost through the hole. And there we have a hole, which is probably, how big? It's 34 mils in diameter.